Sit down first, ah. Nobody will touch it. Okay? You have to listen. Nobody will touch it. If you don't listen, mommy will not open the toys. I will do something like... You have to wait. Aaron, tell your brothers not to touch it. Jacob?
Don't touch it.
Okay, good job, guys. I'm just gonna get something.
Not the knife, okay? Knife doesn't open. You don't need to open knife.
No, I'm not gonna use knife.
Okay. They promise gone. They promise invisible. I'm the leader here. Everyone's behind me.
Madam, tuksahin mo sila na ano na. Tuksahin mo sila na buksan na.
Ha?
Tuksahin mo sila na buksan na.
Ayun, bukla. Araw, open it. Open it, go open it. Come on. Open it, toys. There's toys. Aaron. Jacob.
No,
You
we
open
can't.
it.
Oh, we can't touch it yet.
No, it's okay. Mommy's not here. Mommy's not gonna know. Open it, go open it. There's toys. Aaron, how about you? I won't tell Mommy. I'll tell Mommy that I opened it. Oh, Jacob, come on.
No.
I'll tell Mommy that Aaron opened it.
Don't touch it.
Nobody.
Jacob and
No.
Aaron din.
No.
Kuya, don't lie. Lying is
They
not
touched
good.
it. They touched it.
Okay, I'm almost done. We will open it. Sit down again, Abram. Go sit with your brothers. Go. Asarin mo sila na ano nabuksan nila. Sabi mo ano, akong bahala. Akong bahala sa inyo.
It's okay, Jacob. I got
Go,
it.
go, go.
It's okay, Jacob. I'll help you. You open it. Come.
Mommy, Kuya Thomas opening
Mommy,
it.
Jacob's opening it.
No, we're lying.
Jacob, Aaron, how about you? It's okay.
No.
Aaron, how about you? I'll help you, Aaron. I'll tell Mommy that
No,
Jacob
no.
opened it.
No.
I'll tell Mommy that Abram opened it. Come on, open it.
Adam si Abram.
Yeah, I have him.
Hindi, hindi mo siya, ubusan mo siya ng...
Ayaw niya buwaba eh. He wants to stay here with me.
Oh. Ow. I can't get that screen.
Ulog ka.
Okay, okay, okay. Did someone touch the box?
Aaron. Aaron and Jacob.
No.
Did you touch the box?
No.
What about you?
No.
Yeah, he did.
What about you, Abram? Did you touch the box?
He's lying.
Kuya
Jacob
Adam,
did.
lying is not good, Kuya Adam.
Jacob and
What
Aaron.
happened when you lie?
When you lie, it's not good to lie. Ayan.
And you're the one.
Dito kami nakapwesto sa kanilang bagong bunk bed. Nakapasa ba yung mga anak ko? Ayusin natin. Nakabasa ba sila? Nag-patience challenge tayo. Titingnan natin kung papasa sila na hindi nila pakikialaman yung back. Kukulit at malilikot ang anak ko pero masunurin to mga to. Pero typical na bata pa rin sila na makukulit. Pero I'm so proud kasi siguro pangalawang beses na namin ginawa to. Naalala ninyo, meron kaming vlog dati na
Mommy?
sinubukan ko rin si Jacob at saka
What
si
is
Aaron
it?
noon. I don't
And
know.
what is it?
I don't know. Pumasa sila, naalala niyo yun sa pagkain. Ayan, madali silang maniwala sa akin na hindi dapat bubuksan yung mga hindi dapat buksan, mga dapat mga mangyayari kapag hindi sila naniwala sa akin. So anyway, halo-halo, nahuli ng aking halo-halo mga ate at kuya.
I want to open it now.
This is Mommy Grace and this is
Jacob.
and this is Aaron. Abram, come here.
Aaron.
Ayan. Mga ate at kuya, isi-share lang namin sa inyo itong magbubukas lang kami ng gift. Ayan. Nanggaling ito sa Learn Through Play with Mommy A. Ang una natin bubuksan, ayan. Anyway, gusto ko lang munang mag-thank you kay Mommy A ng Mommy A Store and mommy.a.ph sa mga educational toys. This is educational toys na tamang-tama to sa mga toddler, sa mga preschool, sa mga kinder, ganyan. So, okay na okay to. So, bubuksan natin. Marami siyang pinadala, oh. Ito lang ang mahirap pala. Ito lang ang mahirap pagkakasama sila sa vlog, eh. Ayan, meron sa itong sulat. Thank you for supporting Mommy A Store. Hello, Mommy Grace. I am a silent follower of your bugoys, and I'm really happy na I can finally send them gifts from our humble store. Yay! Thank you for giving opportunities to small businesses like ours. Praying for more blessings to the family. Be safe. P.S. Kisses to Jacob, Abram, and Aaron from Mommy Azel Torres. Ang kanilang IG account ay Mommy A Store. Ayan. Ilalagay ko yung link ng ano nila sa description, ha? Support ninyo kasi ito talagang made with love to. So, yeah. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung gulo kasi ganito talaga yan. Ang ganap-ganap sa amin. Ayan. Meron na. You open natin. Very nice. Oo. Bubble wrap. What? One.
Lego.
This is like Lego, Jacob, but you can put the you can put the letters and you can make words pala. Buo-buo. Wait lang. Wait. Abram, come here. Si Abram ang makakagusto nito. Yay! Thank you. Sabi mo, say thank you po. Mommy Azel. Thank you, Mommy Azel.
Thank you, Mommy Azel. Thank you, Mommy Azel.
Look, Abram, pag nakita ni... Wait lang! Matutuwa to si Abram kasi may letters. Letters, Abram, oh. Abram. See, I told you. Come here. Wow, come here. ABC. O, tinanong mo, magugustuhan niyo. Wait lang. Oh, ABC. Ayan, oh. Where's the A? Kasi, pwede siguro itong gagamitin mo. Kasi may mga letters siya. Parang Lego style, mga ate at kuya. And then you can make... Interesado siya, oh. Nung nakita niya, wala siyang pakialam sa amin kanina. Letter C. Get the letter C. Spell that. Oo. Siya talaga ang magiging interesado dito. Alam ko na siya talaga. Cat.
Oh no.
So this one.
C.
Letter C. Oh, put the letter C.
This is the wrong box. Lock.
Yeah.
If you pick
Where's
the
the A?
wrong...
Go. T. Yeah, good job, Abram. T. Put it here. Yeah. So, read it.
C. C.
What is it? What is it? Read it.
Please.
Cat.
Cat.
This is building
not
blocks.
now.
Word building blocks. So maganda to sa pagka gusto niyo magturo ng mga spelling sa mga anak nyo. So nice ito. Si Abram ulit na magkakagusto nito. I know. Pag sa may numbers, Abram. Math cubes. Ayan. Meron laman siya. Wooden magnetic numbers and letters. Ayan. Ay, maiba to. Nilagay ko lang pala talaga to. Pero ito wooden magnetic numbers. Ito muna. Ito yung wooden magnetic numbers. Nilagay ko lang pala sa loob. Ito hindi ito yung laman niya. Okay, Abram. Let's put Abram. A.
Mommy, look.
Where's letter B?
Look at me.
Where's letter B?
I'm stepping on this.
Where's letter B? Where's letter B?
Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
B. Good
Oh,
job.
look at I'm stepping
R. What about
on.
R? R. Where's R?
C.
Well,
No,
C.
it's A, B, C.
Where's R? Where's R? Where's R? R, I see it. I see the R. Where's the R?
A, B.
What about this one?
Whoa!
R. Good job. Abram. Oh, it's Abram. Yeah! Abram. Okay, let's Aaron. Okay, let's pretend this is A because the A is only one, and then look for an R. R. That's B. R. No, huwag maguluhin.
No.
An O. And N. Where's the N? Here's the N. Oh, it's Aaron. Okay, guys, let's clap our hands. Yoo-hoo, clap our hands. Okay, let's put this inside again. And then we will open another one. What color is this? What color?
Orange.
Orange. What about this one?
Blue.
Blue. What about this one?
Green.
Green. This one?
Light green.
Dark
Dark green.
green. Good job. Good job. Dark green and light green.
To the right.
Itatago ko muna kasi habang gumagawa pa kami ng vlog. Pero gagawin namin to. Gagamitin namin to kapag may spare, kapag study time ng mga bata.
It's a light green.
Kasi hindi po pwedeng sabay-sabay kung ipapalaro sa kanila. Kasi pag sabay-sabay ko ipapalaro sa kanila, I'm sure maghahanap-hanap ako ng mga ng mga ano nito kasi kung saan-saan nila ilalagay. Pero
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Did you enjoy it? You like it? You like it?
Why is it the same? Same.
Yeah, same.
Wait,
You can build.
you can build the place this
Yeah,
too.
I know. Green?
Airplane.
Airplane? Oh, you're making an airplane, Aaron? Oh.
It's a.
Yeah, nice.
It's a. What's your name?
Let's put it back inside again and then we will open another one. This one is Reading Phonetics Twist Blocks. Ay, ito. Nice din to.
You can
Ayan.
twist those blocks
Phonetics
and then.
Twist Blocks. Dictionary. Ayan. Ito magaling to magbasa sa Ibra. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Right? Look. Pwede mo siyang ganyan, oh. Ililipat-lipat mo siyang ganyan. Papabasa mo sa anak mo, ganyan. Tapos ito, ganito.
Pony.
Okay, you read this one.
Wow,
Ipapabasa.
A bat.
Ban.
A ban.
A ban. Oh.
Bat.
What about this one? Read it.
Bat.
Bat. See? I told you, magaling magbasa to eh. What about? Huh? Let.
Which?
Let. What about this?
Cat.
Cat. Cat.
What's that?
Cat daw, cat.
What's this? A cat.
Hug. Oh, this is... Ay, no. This is sag. Say, sound it. Sag. Look at
Sad.
sag.
Sad.
Sag. Okay.
Sag.
The sound of the P. What's the sound of P? What's the sound of P?
Pia.
P. P. N. P. N. P. What is that? What's it? J. J.
You can connect these together.
Ha. Ha.
Connect
Hug.
these
Hug. Say it.
together.
Hug. Si Jacob marunong nang basa.
What
Jacob, come on.
that?
Let's read it first. Come here. I know you know how to read na eh.
Mommy, what's this
Okay.
one?
You read this one.
Pen.
Pen. See?
The bed.
Bed. Good job. Oh, what about this one?
Sit. Ag.
Sag.
Good. Sad. Ag. Rad.
Rad.
Oh, red. It's red.
What is one?
Oh, rad.
What is it?
Rat.
Rats. What is one? What about this one, Abram? What?
Sad. So the big. Big. Big.
It's not big. Say it, Jacob.
Big. Boat. Egg. Boat.
Ah.
Boat. Bag.
Bag.
Big.
Bag.
Bag.
Bag. It's bag.
Bag.
Bag. What about this one, Abram? Aaron? Jacob?
Look. Hum. Hum.
Good job, guys. Okay, let's clap our hands. You know how to... Busy kami nagbabasa dito. Ikaw kain ka ng kain, ha? So,
Papa.
clap our hands. Abram knows how to read and Jacob. And this boy knows how to eat.
Mommy.
Okay? Sushi puzzle. Ayan.
Sushi puzzle. Yeah. I
Yeah.
want the sushi puzzle.
Yeah, because they like sushi. Sushi. They can make sushi. Ito yung parang yung ano ng thinking ng bata kung paano magbuo. Kaya matuturuan kung paano sila bubuo ng mga bagay-bagay. Ano, gagayahin nila.
So what is
Oh, this one, Jacob, you copy this one, if you can. You copy this salmon sushi. Ayan. And this is the egg.
I know that.
Hi, Abram is holding it. Abram, can you give it to Jacob?
What's this?
That's the egg, I think. Oh, done. Let's see if it's right. Let's see if it's right. Okay. You did it.
Can I eat it? Mommy, there's a triangle. This
Which one?
triangle. This. Oh, that one.
Let me see. Oh. Oh, okay. Jacob made it. Okay. Habang gumagawa sila, magpapasalamat lang ulit ako. Maraming salamat.
Where? Wait.
Maraming salamat
Where's it?
kay Mami Aisel Torres. Mami A-Store. Lalagay ko ang link sa description box kung saan nyo pwede ma-order itong lahat ng mga pinaglaruan ng mga anak ko. Muli, maraming salamat, guys. At sana supportahan po natin si Mami Aisel sa kanyang munting negosyo. You say thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Wait, this is one.
Don't forget to
Bye.